In this episode of the Collector's Review, we're going to get up close with the Neca Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the Last Ronin Unarmored action figure. I can't wait to unbox it because I've been waiting for it. So, let's get to it. Finally, the Ninja Turtles, the Last Ronin Neca action figure, the unarmored version by Neca. I've been waiting for this. I didn't even know they were coming out with it. I was so surprised when they were. I didn't think it would be one that they would release, but they came out with the Last Ronin Unarmored and the Ronin Armored. I'm getting the Armored in the mail at some point from them, but got this one first, so I said, what the heck, do the unboxing for you guys. Like always, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little subscribe button and make sure you follow us on the social medias. This figure right here, I'm loving this figure so far. The box is nice. The other figures that I've been opening for Neca have been amazing, man. I've been loving them so far. I don't know if you guys caught any of our videos on the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles mashed up with the Universal Monsters. Those figures were real nice figures, man. I haven't been having to heat them up lately, and I've said this before, but I'm a box guy, and I'll drop some more videos on TikTok and everything showing the different figures that I do open, show them up close. And like always, stick around at the end. I'll show you guys them with the different heads, because he comes with one head, plenty little accessories, so different ways to pose them. So definitely stick around to the end when I go through the different poses. But this figure right here, I can't wait to get the armored one, because that's going to be real slick. I love the story. I haven't even read the story like that, but I just love the story of where they went with it. This, because three brothers died and you're left with one last brother, and I love how they did it. So I guess enough with the talking. Let's get it out the way. Get up close with the figure itself. Loving how he looks so far. Got some nice accessories. And no, it does not come with this stand. This is custom stands that we do. So hey, let's shoot over to that commercial real quick. Contact us now for your custom Neca action figure stand needs. We have over 200 designs to choose from. This is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Last Ronin action figure stand. We have more than 8 to choose from. You can contact us and purchase off of eBay, our eBay store, or www.thecollectiondimension.com. And if you want to email us, see how you can get better deals, contact at thecollectiondimension.com is our email. We have more coming. If there's anything that you need or want that you don't see, make sure you contact us now. So, back with the figure. Let's get up close. Make sure you guys get some of those stands. They work great for him. But look at this guy right here. Loving the detail in them. Like I said, the idea, this is one thing that I put these in real quick to show you guys, but this is one thing I did not like. These are very, very hard to get in there. I don't know if you guys got any way you do it. I don't know if you guys just want to, if you do it like that, just leave it hanging like that. But when you put both of them in there together, it needs to be a little bit tighter, because look at that, and drop. So anyways, besides that, so far I have not moved the figure around. So like always, I do not heat the figure up. I want you to see what he looks like and what he feels like right out the box, which I do a lot of my figures for. And Neca so far for the past little bit has not been breaking or anything like that. And I apologize if there's little black stuff on my fingers and everything. Clean my hands as much as possible. I've been painting. So let's look at articulation. Head up, which looks like it's not going up at all. Head down. So that's down, up. And it's really when he moves his chest piece right here, which it moves great. So, and he moves around real nice. So that is actually real nice for the figure. Let's look at the arms out. I'm gonna take the sword out real quick, and I'll show you guys the sword in a second. Arms out. Those arms will go out good. Elbows bent. It's all bending real. It all bends real nice. Can touch his face. There goes the elbow there. A little bit of paint came off, but rubs right off and is bending real nice. Same thing with this elbow. Okay, let's look at the legs. Legs bent out. And like I said, check out the other Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and the Marvel Universe one. Well, not Marvel Universe, the Universal Monster ones. So that's a little stiff, but it's expected. Foot back. Foot up, down, up. Works great. Other knee. But like I said, I did the Universal Monster and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle unboxings, all of them so far. And I'm waiting for the Casey Jones Fan of the Opera one. Up, down. He's a little stiff, but like I said, that's expected. But he actually moves around real good. And this is his waist. So that's not, I didn't mean chest piece, but you know what I mean. I love the detail in him. He's a very nice detail. Very slick. Love the scars and everything, and I really got to get into the story. And they will be, I think they will make a movie of it at some point, because they've only made so many Ninja Turtle movies. But let's stand them up over here, and then we'll go through the accessories. Put them on one of these amazing stands. Look at those. Stand them here. Let's start with the sword, which I love. Love the detail. Detail is real nice. Here goes his baton, which I think that's what it is. Which and like I said, haven't gone deep into it. I know the other ones that I've seen, he had the staff of Donatello, and I didn't see that in this one, because there's a few of them. I think like this picture right here, the staff is right there at the top. So he has one of each. And here goes the book. So I didn't know if he loses it or what happens. So the book looks real slick. Wish you could open it. Then we have the robot dog. And I can't wait till they make a, I know they'll make a cartoon. There'll probably be a cartoon of it. M112. Cartoon of the Last Ronin, but one day it'll be a movie, I think. And like I said, stick around to the end. I will show you it close up with the different parts. But I'm loving how the head looks. Very slick. Then he comes with 3 sets of hands, and he also comes with this one. Oop. Something special there. Now, one thing that I did, now if you guys can shoot a comment down below, please shoot a comment down below. These, I feel stupid. It came with 4 of these. I haven't found no spot for them to go. There's none in the fist. I thought maybe they would be right there or something, but there's none in the fist. Give me a second, bear with me here. I think I know what it's supposed to do. So I was looking at the fist, and you see this fist right here that he came with actually has a slot that this fits in, just like that. Okay, now if that is for that piece right there, this fist does not have that for it to fit. There is no other fist that does have that. So my question is why is there 4? So I guess that's the new question. I found one spot it goes. So why is there 4 with it? This actually hold the weapons pretty good. So just to show you, and like I said, I'll show you at the end. So that's cool. That's real slick. But I almost forgot one of the main ones, the nunchucks, which I do love the nunchucks. I love how they do the chains, everything. Can't wait to see the armored one, what the other accessories are that it comes with. But the nunchucks, I don't know how I could forget about those. Getting back to it, these 4 pieces, I do not know where they go, what they go to, or anything like that. I've looked at plenty different pictures of the action figure, and I just haven't been able to find where these go. I looked on his wrist, and that's where I thought it would have been. I thought it would be right here on the wrist to maybe shoot out, not shoot out, but stick out like he has it on his fist. Then I didn't know if it was supposed to be on his body, like poking out or something, like he got shot or something. So if anybody out there knows what those are for, please shoot it down in the comments, cause yeah, I guess I'm stupid on this one. But like always, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little subscribe button. Like I said, he comes with the different hands though, and ones to hold, and I'm gonna show you what they look like in a second. So we're gonna be out till next time. Peace.